As SpaceX prepares for its highly anticipated IPO, a crucial bottleneck has emerged: the company's ability to scale Starship production while maintaining profitability. With each Starship estimated to cost around $200 million, the economics of large-scale production will be a significant test of SpaceX's business model. Can the company overcome this systemic constraint to achieve long-term success? The SpaceX IPO filing has finally arrived, and with it, a glimpse into the company's valuation and the ambitious Starship program that's driving its growth. As we delve into the financials and technical complexities of this program, it's clear that SpaceX is staking its claim on the future of space travel and exploration. But can the company deliver on its promises, and what does this mean for its valuation? Adjusted for inflation, that's equivalent to around $40 billion today. The Starship program is expected to far exceed this cost, with some estimates suggesting it could reach as $100 billion or more. But what's driving this massive investment? The answer lies in the economics of orbital reusability. The company's current Falcon 9 rocket, for example, has a launch cost of around $62 million per mission. The Starship program aims to reduce this cost to around $2 million per mission, making it a much more viable option for commercial satellite launches and other space-based applications. So, how does the Starship program achieve this level of cost savings? The answer lies in its reusable design. The Starship spacecraft is designed to be reusable, with the ability to launch payloads into orbit and then return to Earth for refurbishment and reuse. With a payload capacity of up to 150 tons, it will be one of the most powerful rockets ever built and will be capable of launching the Starship spacecraft into orbit. But what about the technical complexities of the Starship program? The spacecraft is designed to be capable of carrying both crew and cargo, and will feature a range of advanced technologies, including a reusable heat shield and an advanced propulsion system. Despite the technical complexities of the Starship program, SpaceX has made significant progress in recent years. The company has successfully tested the Raptor engine and has begun construction on the Starship spacecraft. However, the program is not without its risks. Development delays and cost overruns are a major concern, and the company will need to navigate a range of regulatory hurdles in order to bring the program to fruition. However, this valuation is heavily dependent on the success of the Starship program. If the program is successful, it could drive significant growth for the company and increase its valuation even further. However, if the program is delayed or fails to deliver on its promises, it could have a significant impact on the company's valuation. In addition to the Starship program, SpaceX also generates revenue from a range of other sources, including commercial satellite launches and government contracts. The company has a number of high-profile contracts with NASA, including a contract to launch astronauts to the International Space Station. The market demand for commercial space travel and satellite launch services is also a key driver of SpaceX's growth. The company is well-positioned to capitalize on this demand, with a range of advanced technologies and a strong track record of innovation. The Starship program, in particular, is well-suited to meet the needs of this market, with its reusable design and advanced propulsion system. In terms of cost savings and efficiency gains, the Starship program is expected to provide significant benefits. The potential for new revenue streams through the Starship program is also significant. The company is planning to use the spacecraft to launch a range of missions, including lunar and Mars missions. These missions will provide a significant source of revenue for the company and will help to drive growth in the coming years. However, the program is not without its risks, and the company will need to navigate a range of technical and regulatory challenges in order to bring it to fruition. If successful, the Starship program could drive significant growth for the company and increase its valuation even further. As we delve deeper into the Starship program, it's essential to evaluate the potential risks and challenges associated with its development and deployment. One of the primary concerns is the development cost, which is estimated to be in the tens of dollars. The development timeline is also a significant concern, with the program expected to take several years to complete. This timeline is critical, as any delays could impact the program's overall cost and effectiveness. For example, if the development timeline is delayed by just 1 year, the program's cost could increase by tens of dollars. This is because the development cost is not just a one-time expense, but rather an ongoing expense that accumulates over time. However, this reusability comes with significant technical challenges, including the development of advanced heat shields and propulsion systems. For example, the heat shield must be able to withstand temperatures of up to 1,500 degrees Celsius during reentry, which is a significant technical challenge. Despite these risks, the Starship program has the potential to drive innovation and advancement in the space industry. The program's focus on reusability and cost reduction could lead to significant advancements in space technology, including the development of more efficient propulsion systems and advanced materials. For example, the Starship program's use of advanced composites and 3D printing could lead to significant reductions in the weight and cost of spacecraft components. The Starship program also has the potential to support NASA's Artemis program and other government initiatives. In addition to its potential to support government initiatives, the Starship program also has the potential to drive growth in the commercial space industry. The program's focus on reusability and cost reduction could lead to significant reductions in the cost of access to space, making it more viable for commercial companies to launch satellites and other spacecraft. For example, the Starship program's launch cost per ton to low Earth orbit is estimated to be around $2 million, which is significantly lower than the cost of traditional launch vehicles. For example, the Starship program's payload capacity is estimated to be around 150 tons, which is significantly higher than the payload capacity of traditional launch vehicles. Furthermore, the Starship program has the potential to support the development of a lunar or Mars base. The program's focus on reusability and cost reduction could lead to significant advancements in space technology, including the development of more efficient propulsion systems and advanced materials. For example, the Starship program's use of advanced composites and 3D printing could lead to significant reductions in the weight and cost of spacecraft components. For example, if the Starship program is successful, it could lead to significant reductions in the cost of launching payloads into orbit, making it more viable for companies to launch satellites and other spacecraft. In addition to its potential to drive growth in the space industry, the Starship program also has the potential to support the development of new space technologies and innovations. The program's focus on reusability and cost reduction could lead to significant advancements in space technology, including the development of more efficient propulsion systems and advanced materials. The program's reusable design and advanced propulsion system could lead to significant reductions in the cost of launching payloads into orbit, making it more viable for companies to launch satellites and other spacecraft. For example, the Starship program's launch cost per ton to LEO is estimated to be around $2 million, which is significantly lower than the cost of traditional launch vehicles. Furthermore, the Starship program has the potential to drive growth in the space-based solar power industry. The Starship program also has the potential to support the development of a space-based economy. The program's focus on reusability and cost reduction could lead to significant advancements in space technology, including the development of more efficient propulsion systems and advanced materials. For example, the Starship program's use of advanced composites and 3D printing could lead to significant reductions in the weight and cost of spacecraft components. While there are risks associated with the program, including development delays and technical challenges, the potential benefits of the program make it a critical investment for SpaceX.